Hey everyone, welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, we're going to crack open a topic that's close to our hearts, literally. Have you ever wondered if the way you cook your eggs could be affecting your health? Eggs are a breakfast staple for many of us, but did you know that some cooking methods can turn this healthy protein into a nutritional nightmare? That's right, the way you cook your eggs can make a huge difference. Stick around as we reveal the unhealthiest ways to cook your eggs and why you should avoid them. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. First up on our list is deep-fried eggs. Yes, you heard that right. Deep frying isn't just for chicken and donuts. Some people actually deep-fry their eggs. Deep-fried eggs are made by completely submerging the eggs in hot oil, which results in a crispy outer layer while the inside remains soft and runny. It might sound delicious, but let's talk about what this cooking method does to your eggs nutritionally. When you deep-fry eggs, they absorb a significant amount of oil. This dramatically increases the calorie content. For example, a single large egg typically contains about 70 calories, but when you deep fry it, the calories can more than double. But it's not just the extra calories you need to worry about. Deep frying also adds a lot of unhealthy fats, particularly saturated fats and trans fats. This imbalance can lead to clogged arteries and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Consuming too much fried food has been linked to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. The high temperatures used in deep frying can also produce harmful compounds like acrylamides, which have been associated with cancer risk. Instead, try healthier cooking methods like poaching or boiling your eggs. These methods don't add any extra fat and keep your eggs low in calories while preserving their high protein content and nutritional benefits. So next time you're tempted to reach for that deep fryer, remember that there are much healthier ways to enjoy your eggs. Your heart and waistline will thank you. Next on our list of unhealthy egg preparations is scrambled eggs with heavy cream and butter. While this might sound like a decadent way to start your day, it's actually one of the unhealthiest methods you can choose. To make these ultra-rich scrambled eggs, people often whisk together eggs with heavy cream and cook them in a generous amount of butter. This combination creates a creamy, velvety texture, but let's break down what this means for your health. A single tablespoon of heavy cream adds around 50 calories and 5 grams of fat, mostly saturated. Combine this with butter, which adds about 100 calories and 11 grams of fat per tablespoon, and your simple scrambled eggs are suddenly a calorie and fat bomb. For perspective, a basic serving of scrambled eggs made with just eggs has about 140 calories and 10 grams of protein. But when you add heavy cream and butter, the calories can easily skyrocket to over 300, with a significant increase in saturated fat. Saturated fat is known to raise LDL cholesterol levels, which can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. Over time, a diet high in saturated fat can increase your risk of developing serious health conditions, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Instead of using heavy cream and butter, try using low-fat milk or even water to scramble your eggs. This keeps the texture light and fluffy without adding unnecessary calories and fat. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy scrambled eggs that are not only tasty but also much healthier for you. It's all about making smarter choices that benefit your long-term health. So next time you're craving scrambled eggs, skip the heavy cream and butter. Your heart and your waistline will thank you. If at this point you are not subscribed to Health is Wealth, you probably are not going to see us again. If you are, congratulations as we improve our health together. Moving on to our next indulgent dish, Eggs Benedict with Hollandaise Sauce. This classic brunch favorite might be delicious, but it's also one of the unhealthiest ways to enjoy your eggs. Eggs Benedict typically starts with a toasted English muffin, topped with Canadian bacon, a perfectly poached egg, and a rich, buttery Hollandaise sauce. While it looks and tastes luxurious, let's break down the health implications of this dish. First, let's look at the numbers. One serving of Eggs Benedict can easily exceed 700 calories, with nearly 50 grams of fat. The Hollandaise sauce alone contributes a significant portion of this fat and calorie content. Hollandaise sauce is made from egg yolks, lemon juice, and a large amount of butter. Just 2 tablespoons of Hollandaise sauce can contain around 150 calories and 15 grams of fat, most of which is saturated fat. Regular consumption of saturated fats can raise your LDL cholesterol levels, which is the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries and increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Over time, a diet high in saturated fat and calories can lead to obesity and other metabolic disorders. But don't worry, you don't have to give up eggs Benedict entirely. There are healthier ways to enjoy this dish without compromising on flavor. Try using whole grain English muffins instead of the traditional white ones. Substitute Canadian bacon with lean turkey bacon or even sautéed spinach for a vegetarian option. And for the Hollandaise sauce, you can make a lighter version using Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and a small amount of olive oil. So next time you're planning a brunch, give these healthier options a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy cooking tips. We've explored some of the unhealthiest ways to cook your eggs, from deep frying to adding heavy cream and butter, to pairing them with processed meats like bacon and sausage. While these methods might be tempting and tasty, they come with significant health risks that you should be aware of. Deep-fried eggs add excessive calories and unhealthy fats. Scrambled eggs with heavy cream and butter pack in saturated fats that can clog your arteries. And eggs cooked with processed meats not only load you up with sodium and preservatives but also increase your risk of serious health conditions like heart disease and cancer. But the good news is that there are plenty of healthier ways to enjoy your eggs without sacrificing flavor. Let's look at some delicious and nutritious alternatives. Poaching eggs is one of the healthiest ways to cook them. Poached eggs are cooked in simmering water, which means no added fats or oils. They're low in calories and high in protein, making them a perfect addition to a balanced diet. Boiled eggs, whether hard or soft, are another excellent choice. They retain all their nutritional value without any added fat. They're great on their own, sliced over salads, or as a protein-packed snack. For a lower calorie option, try an egg white omelet. Egg whites are high in protein and low in calories and fat. Combine them with your favorite vegetables and herbs for a light yet satisfying meal. The mission of Health is Wealth is to improve people's life and well-being. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Join us on our journey. Thank you.